This is Fuzzy Road to Health, and I'm Fuzzy D. So I've got a couple of announcements to make. Let's get started. Well, we got word the other day that the new apartment we've been waiting to move into in another building has been vacated. So they're doing the fixing up that they've got to do. So we're going to get the call any day here to start moving. So I may not be doing any new videos for a little while because it's for me with my health issues and my bad back and everything. It's going to take a while to get everything moved and set up again. This is quite a bit bigger apartment, so we're going to have a lot more room and be able to set stuff up better. So hopefully I'm going to be able to have a better filming studio without shelves full of stuff in the background there like I've got now. So hopefully we'll be looking forward to a much cleaner look, and hopefully we'll be able to do some better videos. That's announcement number one. The second thing is I'm going to be probably not doing any more recipe videos for a little while, and I'm going to be concentrating more on carnivore lifestyle issues. Some of the upcoming topics I've got in mind. We're going to be talking about sugar addiction, issues when you're trying to lose weight, and some specific information about autoimmune disease. So there's probably going to be 3 or 4 videos there across those. And I've got some other stuff I'm still working out yet. I just wanted this to be a little quick update, so if you don't see anything from me in a while, I'm still here, just having to deal with all this other stuff first. We should be getting more videos out to you as soon as possible. If you find our videos useful, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be sure to be notified when we start making videos again. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We appreciate you being here. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.